Welcome to this tutorial for Trend Micro Dr. Unarchiver. In this video, we'll teach you how to use Dr. Unarchiver to preview and extract your archives. Trend Micro Dr. Unarchiver is a free Mac decompression tool that supports the most used archive formats, while providing a security scan option to check your archives for viruses or malware before extracting them. It can be downloaded for free via the Mac App Store. To get started, open your Dr. Unarchiver app. When the Dr. Unarchiver window appears, click Open to select the archive file you would like to open. Or simply drag and drop the archive into the main window. Dr. Unarchiver will open the archived file in an outline view, where you can browse and view all of its contents. Dr. Unarchiver can also preview most document files, images, audio, and video formats. Simply mouse over a file you would like to preview. An Eye Preview icon appears next to it. Click the Eye Preview icon to preview the file. You can also open a file directly from the compressed archive by simply double-clicking it. Extracting the contents of an archive file is very quick and easy, and there are several methods to do this. The first is done using the Dr. Unarchiver main console. Simply click Extract. A window opens where you can create a folder or select one where you'll extract your files. Click Extract to extract all the files to the specified folder. The second method is done by right-clicking the archive file and selecting Extract to Current Folder with Dr. Unarchiver. Lastly, simply drag and drop the files or folders directly from the Dr. Unarchiver window into the folder where you would like them to be extracted. With a seamless integration with Dr. Antivirus, another app by Trend Micro, Dr. Unarchiver also protects you from extracting malicious files that might pose a security risk to your Mac. Back in the Dr. Unarchiver window, simply click Secure Extract. If you haven't installed Dr. Antivirus before, a pop-up will appear explaining how Secure Extract works and that you need to install Dr. Antivirus for it to work. Click Install Now to download and install Dr. Antivirus. If you already have Dr. Antivirus, simply click Secure Extract. A window opens where you can create a folder or select one where you'll extract your files. Click Extract. Dr. Unarchiver will scan your files for viruses or malware before extracting them into the folder. If a virus is detected, a pop-up appears saying Virus Found. You are given the option to continue extraction or move to trash. Trend Micro does not recommend you continue the extraction as it might pose a security risk to your Mac. Click Move to Trash. Congratulations! You've just learned how to browse and preview the contents of your archive files, perform quick and easy file extractions, and scan your archive files for viruses and malware with Dr. Unarchiver by Trend Micro, the best free Unarchiver for your Mac. For more information, go to the following website.